Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafa Rahim binti Rohadi. So today I will explain about my research. The title research is the factor affecting purchase intention of a customer to shop at hypermarket among UMK students. For the abstract, this study was conducted to investigate the factor affecting a purchase intention of a customer to shop at hypermarket among UMK students. The quantitative research method was used and 361 respondents were evaluated in this study. As for the result, the most of the independent variables that have been studied in this research have a significant relationship with a dependent variable among the UMK students. The introduction, in 2013, the Malaysian Department of Statistics have shown that the Central has the highest distribution with hypermarket outlet as a big hypermarket participant than in any other region. Among the most significant consideration influence the purchase intention of the hypermarket and consumer is the product quality. Brand image drive a quality in such a number of ways, helping a consumer process a content. Social influence may have an active or passive effect of the consumer. And then in the research objective, they have a three. The first is identifying the relationship between a product quality and a purchase intention of a customer to shop at the market. The next, identifying the relationship between the brand image and purchase intention of customer to shop at the market. The last is identifying the relationship between social influence and purchase intention of a customer to shop at the market. And the next, I'll explain about the literature review. In the product quality, in the independent variable, the characteristic of the product, the advantage and the potential to make the need needed and so forth. Brand image, the image of a brand determines the process of people see a specific business or a product. And then social influence that were based on the mutual experience, such relationship are establishing and expectation were exchanged. And then dependent variable is the purchase, identifying the frequency of the desire to buy, although there is a significant chance of buy a certain product whenever a purchase intention was higher. In the methodology, I will explain about the research and design. This is a quantitative analysis and data can be calculated through statistical, numerical, or mathematical analysis by gathering data by questionnaire or a survey. And the population, the research focus on the undergraduate student who will currently studying in UMK. Total population of a UMK campus a quarter was 5,988 students, and then the FKP have 3,482 students, and the FHPK have a 2,506 students, and the sample size 361 students will be the sample size to represent the whole population for this research. And the last is data analysis. I use the SPSS, frequency analysis, descriptive analysis, Pearson correlation, and multiple linear regression. The result, I will explain about demographic profile in the gender. The female have the higher percent, which are 70%, and the male have a 27%. And the age 20 to 20 years old have a 6.1%, and then 23 to 25-year-old have the higher percent, which is have 87.8%, and then 26 years old or above have a 6.1%, and the course entrepreneurship have a 6.1%, banking and logistics have the same percent, which is have 10.8%, and retailing have the higher percent is 36.6%, commercial have 18.2%, wellness have a 6.9%, Hospitality have 2.2% and the lower percent is the tourism, which is have a 0.8%. And the married in the single have the higher percent, which have 98%, and then married have the 2%, and in the race, Malay have a higher percent, which is the 90%. Chinese have 8%, Indian have a 2%. In the table 1, show the about mean and the standard deviation. For the product, in the mean have a 4.6177, standard deviation have a 0.449837, and the brand image for the mean have 4.2698 and standard deviation have a 0.72633, and then social influence for the mean have a 4.643 and the standard deviation of a 0.4599, and the last is a purchase intention for the mean have a 4.6753 and the standard deviation have a 0.49247. Table 2 explain about the reliability test by using cross-based applied. The first is the product quality have a 0.4785, and then brand image have a 0.79, and then social influence have a 0.863. The highest crossbar is the brand image, and the number of items for the 3 independent variable is the 5. And then table 3 a summary explain about the summary of a correlation analysis. Significant value for product quality, brand image, and social influence is 0.00, and the correlation for product quality, which is a 0.511, brand image is a 0.341, and then the higher is social influence 0.631. In a conclusion, all independent variable and dependent variable are positive result, which show that the result of the research are appropriate, accurate, and important. Thus, this research may be carried out for further research and learning.